Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, Website Creation, the home of creativity. To my returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you for your show of love, for your support. I really appreciate it. Thank you. And to my new subscribers, I say thank you. And to you that have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can make a tote bag using your chinos material. The chinos material are zip clothes, a tape roll, a scissors, and a zip head. So the measurement for the bag is 26 length, width 13. The handle is length 28, width 4. So you cut your zip cloth in line with the bag. But when you are cutting the zip cloth, make sure you leave allowance for it so it will be easy for you to insert your zip head. So our measurement for the handle is 4 by 28. The width is 4, while the length is 28. You cut out 2 of it. So you fold your handle just as you see me doing. Just watch me closely. Then you sew it down. After sewing your handle, you mark out the portion where you want your handle to be. So you sew it down. Sew it very tight. If you are not very clear about this tutorial or any tutorial I've done previously, you can leave a comment in the comment section and I will reply you. So you sew your zip clothes on the material. When sewing your zip clothes, make sure you leave a portion of it so you can insert your zip head. If you have watched up to this part and you have not yet subscribed, please do well to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you. So after sewing your zip clothes, you top stitch it and make sure you stitch the handle part very well. So after sewing the first part of the bag, you sew the other side, you sew the zip cloth to the bag and you top stitch it. Just like I'm doing now. After sewing the second part of the bag, you open it up, you top stitch it, then you insert your zip it and close both sides, both opening. Just watch what I'm doing closely and you will get it right. So you top stitch it. Make sure you stitch the handle part very well. Next, you insert your zip head. So you turn to the wrong side of the bag and close both openings. After sewing, you open it to the right side of the bag. So this is the outcome of the bag. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying yours very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.